Welcome one of them to greet us.
Happy Sabbath, happy day.
Thank you so much. Next we have Faith Anchored Ministers, Kisi. Faith Anchored Ministers, you're most welcome. Where are you? Faith Anchored, where are you? Sijawaona. Oh, nimewaona wako pale. Kindly wave to us as one of you greets us. What do you tell them? Hey boys, what do you tell them? Welcome, welcome. We shall listen to their songs in a short while.
Happy day.
Thank you so much. Faith Anchored Ministers, Kisi, welcome. The next one on the order is Samonet Ministers, Kisi. Samonet Ministers, Kisi. Where they all great. What do we tell them? Shall we salute? Thank you so much. One of them to greet us. One of them to greet us, please. Samonet Ministers. One of them to give to salute on behalf of the rest. Happy Sabbath. Happy day. Happy day. Happy Sabbath. Be blessed. Thank you so much. We have Heavenly Focus, Kisi. Heavenly Focus, where are you? Oh, there they are in uniform. Hey, this is great. Can we salute? What do we tell them? Oh, welcome one of them to greet us and the rest, on behalf of the rest, please. Thank you so much. That is Heavenly Focus. We have on the central A1. On the central A1. Oh, there they are. Wonderful uniform. Can you salute please? Magogo Central, what do you tell them? Welcome someone to greet us on their behalf, one of them. God is good all the time.
And all the time.
Thank you so much. Simple Music is also our guest. Where are they? Oh, wako pale. Hey. Can you kindly wave? What do you tell them? Welcome one of them to greet us.
The Lord is good
all the times. Oh, boys. Which choir is that? Do we have their counterparts here? Oh, you better hear that. So you can see why they're getting excited. Then next we have Royal Revival. Oh, wako pale ndani ya tent. Kindly wave to us. What do we tell them? Oh, thank you so much. Welcome one of them to greet us.
Wapenzi wa Bwana na wasalimu amjambo. Amjambo tena. Thank you.